So I like using a 5-round shader for my liner, depending on what the line is. If I need a 9-round liner, that'll work. That'll give you that bold line. But a 5-round shader gives me a little more play. Definitely want to lubricate the skin before any line work. That way the needle just slides through the skin. Less pain. Anything that has less pain, I'm all for it. Now you want your needle to stick out. If I took a nickel and put it to the needle depth, that's how far the needle goes out. This one's a little short. Move it up a little. If your needle is grabbing the skin and causing your machine to do that, then you're too far out. You want a smooth line, clean, one time, one take. I always like to start at the top, work my way down. Some artists work their way up. One motion. And if you notice, I don't do a whole bunch of wiping. Line, wipe, line, wipe, line, wipe. That irritates the skin even worse than... Just go ahead and do the lines you can see. And then you just pat. And when I complete the design, I'll wipe the remaining ink off the skin. That way she's not swelling up, skin's not whelping up. And then they start looking at you like, oh, we're done. You definitely want your client to be able to make it through the tattoo. And not walk out of here with 2 lines and a smiley face.
That ink slanging cowboy, ink slanging, ink slanging, ink slanging, ink slanging cowboy, ink slanging, ink slanging, ink slanging, ink slanging cowboy, ink slanging, ink slanging, ink slanging, slanging, slanging.